Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haq here, back with another video. I'm here today with Mr. Labidul Haq.
Hello.
And my brother.
See me, I'm too black.
True. Today I'm going to be showing you the cornering lights and how to use them. So basically you have to have your headlights on. That's about it. And then you turn the wheel, it'll only come on under 20 miles an hour. And you turn the wheel and they'll turn on. So if you're looking down here, if I turn my wheel now, it lights up the right. Okay. Now if I do the same to the left, it lights up the left side. And then if I take it off, it fades off again. Yeah, simple as that. And now I'll show you what it looks like on the outside when I turn the wheel. So when I turn the wheel to right, the right light should come on. When I turn the wheel to left, the left one should come on. So I'm going to hand it over to my uncle, brother here, and he will show you quickly.
What, legend?
Hi guys, thank you guys for watching. That's the cornering lights, that's how they work. And that's what it looks like. And see you guys next time. Goodbye. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And check out Hakka Unboxing channel. Bye.